I have already shown several types of SSD drives with various formats, various sizes and storage capacities. But now I got the best M.2 SSD drive. But first, subscribe to the channel because I publish new videos every week. This is the Samsung 980 Pro, the best M.2 NVMe SSD drive with a PCIe Express 4 interface and 2 terabytes of storage capacity. This PCIe 4.0 connection allows a file reading speed of 7000 megabytes per second or 7 gigabytes per second. It is the fastest and highest capacity M.2 SSD on the market. If you're looking for a M.2 SSD drive with exceptional performance, high reliability, and read and writing speeds better than any other SSD, then this SSD is for you. This SSD drive with top specifications is for those professionals who want their computer to be the best and fastest to elevate the experience on personal and professional computers. With an interface NVMe PCIe Gen 4 or PCIe Express 4, the Samsung 980 Pro guarantees file reading speeds of up to 7 GB per second and file reading speeds of up to 5 GB per second. This blazing speed is ideal for handling intensive workloads like 4K video editing, high-resolution video games, graphic design applications, or file backup systems. The Samsung 980 Pro M.2 SSD is an ideal choice for those who want maximum performance for the computer and maximum speed to access data storage. With cutting-edge technology and impressive specifications, is an SSD that will impress you. In the coming weeks, I will test to prove the real speed of this device, and I'm going to install this SSD in a new supercomputer that I'm building. Now, subscribe to the channel because I publish new videos every week.